The brush holder assembly consists of the brush holder and plastic mount, the carbon brush, and the tension spring. The most common reason to replace the brush holder assembly is a worn out brush. If the motor is overloaded, the brush holder, wire lead, or tension spring can be damaged, also requiring the brush holder to be replaced. Replacing the brush holder assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the end cap. Now I'll remove the motor brushes. First the wire lead, and then I can remove the assembly from the motor housing. I'll slide the new brush assembly into place. And reattach the wire. And I'll repeat this on the other assembly. Now I can reinstall the end cap. I slide it over to the motor housing. And then secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the brushes on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.